Hey everyone, today we're taking a look at the SNEED-JET Titan 21 and Titan 22 high-resolution thermal inkjet printers designed for flexible product and packaging coding. These systems make it easy to print text, barcodes, logos, and variable information directly onto your products or packaging, without the complexity of traditional coding equipment. Whether you're printing on one side of a product or coding multiple sides at once, the Titan 21 and 22 provide a versatile, easy-to-use solution for your operation. Both systems are built for crisp, high-resolution printing. Using thermal inkjet technology, you can print product information, traceability data, barcodes, and branding with clean, professional results. The prints are sharp, readable, and consistent, making them ideal for both primary and secondary packaging applications. The main difference between the Titan 21 and Titan 22 comes down to printhead configuration. The Titan 21 uses two half-inch printheads stitched together to create a full 1-inch tall print area. This makes it ideal when you need more information or taller, more visible codes in a single print area. The Titan 22, on the other hand, uses two separate half-inch printheads, allowing you to print in two separate positions or two sides of a product or package at the same time. So if your priority is more information or larger prints in one area, the Titan 21 is the right fit. If you need two separate print areas or multi-sided coding, the Titan 22 offers that flexibility. Both systems can print static and variable information, including date codes, lot and batch numbers, counters and serial numbers, barcodes, and logos. With multiple lines of programmable text, you can customize your message to meet traceability, compliance, and customer requirements. These printers are designed to handle a wide range of materials, including paper, corrugate, cardboard, plastic, metal, glass, labels, and more. Fast-drying ink options help to ensure clean, durable prints on a variety of surfaces. Multiple ink colors are available, including black, red, blue, and specialty inks, giving you flexibility for your application. For conveyor-based applications, an optional encoder kit can be added for precise print placement. The encoder tracks line speed in real time, keeping prints evenly spaced even when line speeds change. This is especially useful for barcodes, repeated prints, or applications where placement accuracy is critical. Both systems are controlled through an easy-to-use touchscreen interface. Creating messages, adjusting layouts, and managing prints can all be done quickly without complicated software. These systems are designed to be simple to install and easy to operate so your team can get up and printing fast. Like all SNEED-JET printers, these systems are virtually maintenance-free. Each ink cartridge includes a new printhead, eliminating the need for pumps, valves, or routine service. That means less downtime, lower operating costs, and consistent performance. Your Titan system arrives ready to get started with everything needed for installation. Each unit includes the controller, mounting hardware, power supply, and essential accessories. Simply create your message, install your ink cartridge, and begin printing. From products to cartons and everything in between, the SNEED-JET Titan 21 and 22 deliver flexible, high-resolution coding with minimal setup and maintenance. And like every SNEED-JET printer, they're backed by our 30-day performance guarantee, because at Sneed Coding Solutions, we keep coding simple.